How to see what video you've watched on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how to see what video you've watched on Facebook. Before starting the video, you have to watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. First of all, you have to open Facebook and tap on top right your profile icon. After clicking on your profile, you have to click on the video icon. Here you can see. After that, you have to click on the search icon on the top right. Now here you have to tap on video you've watched. As soon as you click on it, you can see all the videos that I have seen. They will be shown here. In this way you can check video you've watched on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.